Hi everyone, Katie the Crafty Blog Stalker here with a recipe from our Simply Earth monthly essential oil recipe box. Now this recipe is from the August box, and if you want to get in on the August box, go to simplyearth.com, and I've got a great deal for you. You can enter in the code THECRAFTYFREE with no spaces, and you will get a $40 gift card with your first subscription box. The subscription box is $39 a month, so you can use that $40 gift card on your next box or on other supplies from their store. So this is just one of the 6 recipes from the August box. So the self-care diffuser blend. So we're gonna go ahead and make that now. We're going to open up our little bottle and we're going to make a master blend. So we are going to be using lavender, peace and quiet, peppermint, and sage to make our self-care diffuser blend. So let's grab our lavender. We need 43 drops of lavender. 43 drops. 7, 3, 8, 3, 9, 40, 41, 42, 43. Okay, we have our 43 drops of lavender and peace and quiet. Now, if you want to make this blend and you don't have the monthly subscription box, you can still go to Simply Earth and just purchase these oils as well. Peace and quiet, we need 28 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 26, 27, 28. Next is peppermint, and we need 14 drops of peppermint. 1, 2, 3, 12, 13, 14. And last is sage. So we're going to grab our sage, and we need 15 drops of sage. 2, 3, 4, 13, 14, 15. Then to mix it, we're just going to put the lid on and just give it a good swirl. And when I put that lid on, you'll notice when I open it, it now has the dropper lid. And all that's left is to bring in the stickers that come in our subscription box so everything can match. And we're doing this self-care. So let's see. Oh, self-care, there's the topper. So that's gonna go right there on the top. Not too bad. And there is our diffuser blend, our self-care diffuser blend. It smells like you're sitting in a spa. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and make sure to use that code, THECRAFTYFREE, to get your $40 gift card with your first subscription box. Bye everyone.